Good morning, children. Welcome to Commandore Group of Schools online teaching classes. I am Khalil, social studies teacher. Today we go second lesson, 9th class social studies. The lesson name is The Natural Realms of the Earth. The natural realms of the earth. In this lesson, we are going to discuss so many things about our earth. The earth scientists divided this earth into 4 realms or physical divisions. They are, first one, lithosphere. Second one, hydrosphere. Third one, atmosphere. Fourth one, biosphere. So these are the 4 realms of the earth. Now children, we go one by one. The first one, lithosphere. In Greek language, litho means rock or stone. The lithosphere contains mountains, plateaus, plains, deep valleys and basins. So this lithosphere is important for human life. They are providing us so many kinds of minerals and soils too. And another one, hydrosphere. Hydra in the Greek language, huder means water. In Greek language, huder means water. All the water bodies on the planet Earth, like lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans, they all comes under hydrosphere. How much percent is there water on Earth planet? 71%. So, more water is there on our Earth planet. So our planet also called blue planet or watery planet. And another one, atmosphere. In Greek language, atmos means vapor. In Greek language, atmos means vapor. The air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Our planet Earth, a thin layer of air is surrounding. That air is called atmosphere. This atmosphere air is having several gases. In this atmosphere, air is there. This air is having several gases. For example, nitrogen 78%. Children, nitrogen 78%. Oxygen 21%. The remaining gases, small quantity are there like carbon dioxide. In all these gases, oxygen is called breath of life. Without oxygen, we cannot able to live. Next, last one, biosphere. So biosphere, bios in Greek language called life. A small bacteria which is connected so many kilometers height, and in the deep oceans bacteria to a huge animals including man, they are all comes under plants and animals are called biosphere. Here, this biosphere life depending on these 3 layers, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. On these 3 realms, this biosphere is existing. Children, now we will see lithosphere, some more deeper. So in lithosphere, mountains, plateaus, plains are having, we already discussed. Along with that, in lithosphere only, water basins like seas and oceans. Seas and oceans also there on planet Earth. According to that, mountains, plateaus, plains, along with oceans and seas are called first order landforms. A question may come, which are first order landforms? We have to write all the continents and the oceans. You know the continents, you know the four major oceans. All this comes under first order landforms. There are three types of landforms. First order landforms, second order landforms, and third order landforms. Now we are discussing about first order landforms. In this first order, what may come? Continents and oceans. Comes under first order landforms. Second order landforms, only lithosphere. Now we discussed before. Mountains, plateaus, plains. Here not coming oceans. Only mountains, plateaus, plains only coming. Where? In second order landforms. So in second order landforms comes only mountains, plateaus, plains. And third order landforms, last one landforms, these landforms are formed by natural agents. What are natural agents, children? Wind and water. This wind and water, etc. are called natural agents. Due to these natural agents, whatever the landforms are existed on planet Earth, they all comes under third order landforms. So how many landforms now we discussed? First order landforms, second order landforms, and third order landforms. Okay children, now other topic is the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates. Jigsaw puzzle. So in this, all the continents in the world map, if you see, all the continents were separated. When they are not separated millions of years ago, they are all single compact land. That is giant land. Due to Earth rotation, millions of years after, present day's continents were formed. Now, under the Earth, in first lesson you already heard that crust, mantle, core, the interior of the Earth. On mantle, some plates are floating. On mantle, some plates are floating. According to geologists, they describe that there are 6 major plates on the Earth. They are South American plate, North American plate, Indo-Australian plate, Antarctic plate, Eurasian plate, African plate, lastly Pacific plate. These plates are all floating on the mantle. And another small plates are also there, Arabian plate and Nazca plate. So major plates are 6 we have to write. What are the 6 major plates means? We have to write these 6 names. Due to this plates movement, here plate tectonics are formed. What is plate tectonic means? The movement of the plate is called plate tectonics. One more question comes. What is plate tectonics? We have to write. The movement of the plate is called plate tectonics. So these plates are moving one place to another place slowly. In their movement, one plate and another plate in opposite directions coming, both edges are pushing each other. In this pressure, one plate is going down and another plate is raising up. The raising up plate is formed present day all continents, mountains, like Himalayas, like Andes, like Rockies, Alps. So these are Atlas mountains. They are all millions of years ago, due to this plate tectonics, formed these mountains. And another one, sea floor spreading. Children, now another topic, sea floor spreading. How we discussed now, on surface of the mountains, plateaus, plains, how we are seeing, they are visible. But under the ocean also, these like landforms are there. Here, some ridges formed due to eruptions of sea floor. In sea floor, due to the eruptions, mountain ridges are formed. Generally, these mountain ridges are, we can see, middle of the oceans. We discussed already four major oceans. In these four major oceans, in the middle of the oceans, the ocean ridges are mountains, chains we can see. These mountain chains contains which rock means basalt rocks. These mountain chains having in the middle of the ocean which rock means basalt rock. So basalt rock means due to sand formed rock. So these like formed land is a very newer land on the earth planet. Slow movement and sudden movements. These plates, children, what we discussed now, the major plates, movement is two types, slow movement and sudden movement. In this topic, here, the slow movement leading to the formation of the crust, etc. The slow movement not create so damage due to these plate movements. They form the crust, some changes on the surface of the earth crust. At the same time, the second movement, this plate's second movement is sudden movement. It creates drastic eruption. It creates a drastic eruption of volcanoes and earthquakes. This damages more. It is very dangerous. They are very dangerous. So in this process, we learn about volcano. What is volcano? A volcano is an opening in a plate. A volcano is an opening in a planet's surface or crust which allows hot magma. Due to the so much heat, this pressure from the mantle, the lava try to come out to the earth's surface through cracks or fissures. Fissures means cracks. Through cracks, they see the way, that way to come out this lava on earth's surface, that way is called vent. That way is called vent. Through vent, this lava coming out and forms, after cooling down, this lava only forms a kind of landform that is called igneous landforms. Igneous landforms. So igneous landforms are which came out lava and cooled down and formed this igneous landforms. Sometimes this lava only not coming out on earth's surface, little bit lower parts only on earth's surface, they only cool down and form some lands. That lands are called intrusive landforms. So what are intrusive landforms means? The lava which not able to come out on earth's surface, cooled down under the surface of the little bit lower, these landforms are called intrusive landforms. So these intrusive landforms sometimes they coming to light, coming to visible when the erosions started, hundreds of years erosion. Due to erosion, these landforms are visible certain places. See children, we discussed one more time, we recollect 4 rings of the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. See children, first order landforms, ocean, four major oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. All the continents and oceans comes under first order landforms. We already discussed. And in jigsaw puzzle, millions of years ago, all these continents had very closer as a single land, giant land, and millions of years after present day continents we are seeing. Next one, volcanoes. So this is vent, this is magma, this is magma. It tries to come out of the earth's surface. So this place, this route is called vent. This route is called vent. Through vent, this lava coming out and forms this like a volcanoes. Volcanoes. So in these volcanoes, one of the important volcanic mountain is Stromboli volcano. This is located in Mediterranean Sea. This is located in the Mediterranean Sea, in Sicily Island. There, Stromboli volcanic mountain is there. This is generally called Lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea. Stromboli volcano is called Lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea. In every country, there are these like volcanic mountains are there. For example, in Tanzania, Mount Kilimanjaro. In Japan, Mount Fujiyama. In India, Narcondam and Barren Islands. So this like so many kinds of mountains, volcanic mountains are there.